Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardener, back at it again on this nice Sunday morning. So yeah, I'm just going to talk about my succulents. So no, I have no experience in succulents, but I decided that I just wanted to dabble in it a little bit. Don't ask me the name of any of these succulents. Basically, it's whatever I can get for very cheap, and I'm tossing it inside a pot, basically. So just learning a little. This is actually a avocado seedling, so that's not a succulent, but yeah, I'm trying different things in the garden to keep it interesting. This is another pot I call myself making. This is what I've been actually working on for the last month or so. Desert rose right there. Yep, just trying something a little different. There we go with the succulents right here. You know, so as I said, I have no experience with it. I decided just to do a little bit of dabbling in it, and kind of enjoying it. So you know my gardening style is, basically not a lot of work. So I try to find anything that I can put down that I don't have to do a lot of work in with. You know, we are in Central Florida, Zone 10A, formerly 9B, and I tend to try to put things down that I don't have to be out here. This is the plumeras right here. And when I got these, they were just sticks. They look just like this right here. And this is what they're doing. So those are some plumeras. So yes, so about the succulents, yeah, I'm just trying, some different things out here. And, some easy gardening. So far, I'm enjoying it. So I will not be diving deeply into these succulent plants. As far as, it's not going to be no top hobby. I just wanted to dabble in it and try something different. I have in my garden, I like a lot of variety other than just, fruit trees, for the simple reason that sometimes I come out and I want to look at something other than just the fruit trees or my peppers or something different. I like to come out to make it my tropical oasis. And everybody's gardening style is different. So, whatever pleases you, do that to your garden, Try different projects. So this right here is my passion fruit vine. Right here. And the succulents are tucked underneath so they're not getting exposed to direct sunlight and a bunch of water and rain. So that's what you see right here. And yeah, just wanted to bring that to you. Small video on my succulents and how basically they were put together. And I can't remember what this flower's name was right here. Can't remember what this flower's name is. But it's pretty, I like it. I know it cost me $1 at the flea market. And this right here, so you just pick up these things at the flea market. And I can tell you, here's the flea market sign still on it. So I pick up these little things and, that's how I get the majority of my stuff. I'll pick up these. And look at this right here. Look at these. I know they look funny, but these are mushrooms in my petite rose plant. Look at that. Let's see it focus. There you go. Yeah, those are mushrooms. Yeah, so I do dabble with different things in the garden. I don't only just stick to fruits and veggies. I dabble with different things also. So I used to have my blueberry plants right here and decided to change it up some. You already know me. I just like to see different things. So I got this right here on sale on Old Time Pottery, and that's going to go right up here. Right up there. As you can see, the holes is in there. We was just waiting for them to curve because it was raining. So I just wanted to show you that little bit right there. You know, I had all blueberry pots right there. So we switched that up right there. All type of elephant ears. So this is them in the shade house growing right here. My daughter gifted me with these. You can see that. Is it clear? So yeah, that's me trying to just do different things. And we got another little rain catcher. Let me get to here. My husband cut the top off right here. We put the mesh there to catch rain, and he'll put a little spout down here just like this one. And if you see this rain catcher, it comes up. Let me step back so you can see it. So the rain catcher goes right there, goes down, and that right there is where I get my water. So actually I'm going to actually get 2 more cylinder blocks and put that to raise that up higher too. So yeah, so that's what's going on. And I just wanted to bring you that little info. So hopefully you're having a blessed day, a nice weekend. And you're out here enjoying whatever good good weather. Yeah, I'm just waking up as early in the morning, yo. It's not even 7 o'clock. And look at this flower I threw down here. I mean, this plant. Isn't that beautiful? It's just like my Maywa was dying at first, so we had to chop her down. And now she's coming back and flowering and stuff. But obviously soil is not the problem, because look where I put this plant, right on her. Okay, so let me stop rambling. And yeah, I just wanted to bring you that little bit of info. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. If you like the video content, please share. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you for viewing my channel, and for all of my followers that follow me through this journey. Okay, I'm trying to get back out here and get more videos out. I'm always working on projects, so I'm not that fast lately in putting a lot of videos out. So I need to do better than that. And I'm going to go ahead and leave you with this beautiful miracle fruit tree that's getting all of its fruits. Look at all those fruits coming in there, y'all. So hopefully you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.